Okay. I just put that in content in case people want to know what day it is and what time it was.
This is a good spot. Yes. You want to have an early lunch? Yeah.
Yeah, sure. I'm a little hungry.
You getting hungry?
Yeah, peckish. Is that too high or is that fine?
I don't know. It looks like it's pushing up. But
No, I'm just pushing it down and up.
You regulate that screen. The front,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, it's a bit.
The camera angle is a bit interesting, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Very lively here. It's always busy.
Here's the power. How nice is it here? It's really busy here.
Yeah, no
But
matter
only
what.
breakfast and lunch because the
Sorry, keep up
neighbours
in here.
complained about the noise at night.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
So it's only.
we'll have a look over here.
Yeah. Got a wide angle lens there, boy?
Yep.
Got a wide angle.
Very funny.
What a nice little pool.
Yeah.
A lot of toilets here too. Done a good job here.
Yeah,
It's all new, Katie said.
that's good. Someone's snorkeling out there.
Somebody ever tell you you've got a Bondi chest? Far from manly?
Shut up. Your hands get sweaty holding this.
Yeah. Well, you've held it for a while.
Someone's laughing about something.
Yeah, they were actually mine.
See, that's a nice spot.
Yeah.
The shade there, Nicky.
Yeah.
Over here, behind you. Look.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a nice sheltered spot.
There
Yeah.
are around.
Yeah. Hey guys, I think that's it.
That's
So
the
that was the
boathouse,
Manly.
isn't it?
What was it?
Film a bit more. That's the Manly Pavilion. We went from the boathouse Manly Pavilion to the boathouse Shelley
Yeah,
Beach. Here.
yeah. It's alright.
Yeah, look, just get a few more shots of it. Up close, look, looks beautiful. Wow, what a spot, Ben. Hey, Jiggy,
Yeah.
look at that.
Yeah, I've seen there in other walking tours too.
Nice little tables here.
Yeah.
Yeah, is it Beck or Ben or something? Yeah, they're calling it out. I just knew you were in front of me.
Come on, mate.
Thanks for that.
See you guys. Peace.